I built it in 07 for SEMA and was a show car for a while. We decided to autocross it. Ron Schoch, Lawrenceburg, Indiana. I've been here for the watch spectator before, but never to participate. It's 1965. It's got independent rear end in it, 347, 5-speed, AC, you know, coilovers all the way around, independent front suspension, sway bars, you know. Yeah, there's not much stock on it anymore. Body-wise, mechanical-wise, nothing much stock. 05 door handles, quarter glasses, shade vents, and you know, no drip rails, flush mount glass. And we got into it going to SEMA with the Optima deal. My brother got picked to go to Optima Invitational in Vegas a couple years ago, and then we got into that. I got a newer one too. I was gonna bring down, but the newer had problems at home, so we do local autocross and then run Optima.
Okay, great.
So that's my brother there in the green one. So try to beat him.
How's that going?
Close. My new car is closer than him, but this is a couple tenths off. But that's pretty good for the old car versus the new car. His car was built for autocross, and mine wasn't built for this. So I'm second in the old car class today so far. And we're picking up every time we go out, so it's got a little ways to go.
Tell me a little bit about the engine.
It's 347 stroker, aluminum heads, long tube headers. It makes about 550 horsepower to the wheels. I painted it myself. I do body work. So I had a 605 to match it. It's basically Gerber Blue Pearl, and it's been nothing done to the body since 06. I built it for SEMA in 07. So just wax.
Nice.
Yeah.
Nice.
Hand pinstripes, you know.
Yeah, we love that flame job.
Yeah, it goes through the dashboard, everything inside.
Oh, cool.
The bottom of the car is all painted same color and been clear and everything too. So.
Been a Ford guy all your life?
Oh yes, yes, definitely.